A chart can provide thousands of answers. The problem is that we may not know which question we are trying to answer. At WiseStepHoldings, we believe clearer market analysis begins before the first chart is open. We start with one precise question. Is momentum strengthening? Is volatility changing? Is a price movement supported by broader conditions? Does this opportunity fit a short-term decision or a longer-term objective? The question determines what information deserves attention. Next, we define the time frame. A movement that appears significant over several minutes may look ordinary across several months. Without a time frame, the same data can support conflicting interpretations. Then we select the evidence. Live prices show what is happening now. Analytical tools help us compare patterns. Educational resources explain the mechanics behind the movement. Relevant updates provide context. After that, we define what would change our conclusion. If the evidence weakens, the analysis should change. We do not search endlessly for information that supports the first idea. Finally, we decide what the question requires. The answer may lead to action, additional research, continued observation, or no action at all. WiseStepHoldings brings real-time information, advanced analytics, practical education, seamless navigation, and responsive support into one structured environment. These resources help us move from a broad market view to a focused decision process. Better analysis does not begin with more indicators. It begins with a question clear enough to guide the work. WiseStepHoldings. Ask precisely, examine carefully, decide with purpose.